Greetings, great people. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling Oneself. World Digital Skilling Oneself, it's an online platform that has empowered many people over the world with digital skills and marketing skills and a lot more important information with regards, for example, to American DV lottery. So if you are watching this tutorial, it's for you who is preparing to play the American DV lottery, or for you who wants to know more about the American DV lottery, or for you who has won the American DV lottery and you don't know the next step to carry on. So today I'm going to tell you the important documents that you need when you have won the American DV lottery, because many people have been contacting me. So now that I have won the American DV lottery, what next am I supposed to do? So if you are among the winners of the DV lottery, these are the requirements, because there's a document that you need to fill online and we call it the DS-260 form. It's a form that you need to fill. So what are some of the requirements for you to fill this form? Basically, you need to have your confirmation letter, because whenever you play the American DV lottery, there's a receipt that is being issued to you and they always ask you to keep it jealously. Yes, so you are going to need that form as well, which we call the confirmation letter, because in it has some information that you need to access this DS-260 form. Okay, so when you have that already, you as well need your case number, because when you have accessed the platform, the American DV lottery platform, when you check your results and you discover that you are a winner, whoa, like many people played at my place and they have been winning. So I will encourage you, if you don't have where to play, you can as well reach me. I'm going to place my contact below the description so that you can reach me and I can as well help you, because you know there are very important criteria for you to respect in order to win the American DV lottery. And in my previous tutorial, I'm going to place the link as well below the descriptive part of this tutorial, the things that you need to do to increase your chances of winning the American DV lottery. Talking on what you need in order to fill the DS-260 form. So I said the second one is your case number, and for you to have your case number, it means you need to verify your result, your status, and discover that you have been selected. So when you have been selected, you have a case number that has 14 characters mixed up of letters and figures. So you as well need this information to fill your DS-260 form. And now the third important document that you will need as well is the birth certificate and your identity card. So you will need this information to verify that your information that you are giving are correlated to this document, because these are the documents that you are going to take to the interview. When you have filled the form, you have been scheduled for an interview, you go for the interview, and you need as well to go with this document and with the original documents. You as well need to provide your certifications that you've gotten. Yes, you will need them. And one of the most important documents that you will need in order to fill the DS-260 form is the passport. You need a valid passport in order to fill the DS-260 form. Yes, so, and there's something very important. When you have won, you need to have the address of somebody who is going to receive you when you reach the United States of America, because that's where your green card will be issued, will be given, and now you collect it from there. So these are the informations that you need in order to fill your DS-260 form. So I am Walter Ndo, aka World Digital. I have a lot of premium skills already uploaded in my YouTube channel, World Digital, and I will encourage you to like, keep a comment, and share my tutorials. So, and in our next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to fill the DS-260 form. So stay glued on my YouTube channel.